Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about AABB, Asia Broadband. I promised JT Money I would make a video just specifically for him. Why don't you share your research in this video? I have no idea what the company does. So I will try to make it as simple as possible and tell you what they do. So Asia Broadband, AABB, what do they do? Their business model is they mine gold and they sell it to the Asian markets. But recently, they are changing their business model around. So instead of mining gold and selling it to the Asian markets, they are mining gold and they're going to be storing it in a vault to back their cryptocurrency. So they're changing the business model from mining gold and selling it, to mining gold and hoarding it and using it as a way to back their cryptocurrency. So the more gold they mine, in theory, the higher the value of their cryptocurrency should go up. So that's their business model, and that's exactly why the market is so excited for this company. And that's the reason why the stock went from 0.005 cents to all the way up to almost 65 cents. I believe it went as high as 65 cents. Hold on, let me just look at the summary. It went as high as 65.9 cents. I don't know if it'll make it to $1 or $2 or $3. But there is a possibility. Why do I say that? Well, it's their crypto. If their crypto is popular with crypto investors, and Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to go up, and their crypto is popular, and the app is popular, the stock could go to $3, $4, $5, $10 in the future. But also, on the flip side, what happens if their crypto is not popular? Then the stock could plummet back to a penny. So it really all depends on how popular their crypto is. Right now, you can only buy their crypto on the US, on their own exchange, but eventually they are going to have it everywhere. So you can buy their crypto on Coinbase or on other crypto exchanges, not just their own wallet. So eventually they will release it to the public, but as the initial launch, in order for you to get their crypto, you have to download their wallet, you have to transfer your crypto that you have on either Coinbase or some other crypto site, crypto app or crypto wallet, or maybe you mine your own Bitcoin and Ethereum. You transfer it into this wallet, AAB wallet. You do the security thing where you take pictures of your ID and all that crap, and then once you are approved, you can then exchange the Ethereum or Bitcoin for their AABG token. But that's the only way. I mean, it's smart for them to launch it just for their own wallet, because this will attract more users to their wallet, and growing their user base for their wallet application, AABB, is very important to business. It's very important for like, for example, Facebook's business is important that they gather as many users as possible. Or like social media needs users. All apps need users. Users make money. Without users, there's no money to be made. So they need to attract as many people to the app as possible, and possibly trading cryptos, because they will make a transaction fee on top of maybe, so they have that business model, and on top of that they have their crypto business model, which if it gets really popular and the value of it skyrockets, it should reflect it in the stock price. And right now, investors are excited because of their crypto exchange, but there is a possibility that the stock could go back down to sub-penny levels. So just be aware that there's always risk in the stock market, but I really wish I found this stock when it was trading in the sub-pennies. Man, if I loaded up like 2 million shares in the sub-pennies, I would have paid like, what, $10,000 for 2 million shares. And if it went to like 60 cents, 50 cents, I would have been a millionaire. I would have made $1 million off this stock just from buying it in the sub-penny ranges. I wish I did that. I wish I found this company earlier, but, you know, I didn't find about this company until it ran hot, and after doing some research, I'm like, this is a company I have to have some shares in for the long term. And I know the risk. The risk is the stock could go back down to sub-penny level. Absolutely. But at that level, you know, the risk versus reward is huge because the company is not going bankrupt anytime soon. Because if we look at their balance sheet, they have like no liabilities. They have $1.4 million of liability, and they have about $24 million of asset, but actually their assets actually grown to $33 million of asset, and liabilities has gone down to $865,000. So they have no liabilities, $33 million of asset, and almost $9 million currently on the balance sheet. And this will increase dramatically because they recently sold a gold mine in Mexico for $80 million. And they used that money to buy $30 million worth of gold. And they're using that as their cryptocurrency backing. So, and in the future, when they mine more gold or they buy more gold, the value of the cryptocurrency should go up with the more gold they have on their balance sheet. So I like their business model. They also have, if you look at the income statement, they also have very low expenses. Their total operational expense adds up to about $3 million per quarter, which is not very much, you know. And then they're even profitable with 2.9, almost $3 million of profit. And they should be updating the investors with the year end for December of 2020 in the coming weeks, like maybe next week or the week after, but it's coming, and I'm looking forward to looking at the financial statements. But like I said, I really wish I ran across this company back in December, in January, December. Because if I went and I looked at their balance sheet and I'm like, this company is profitable and they are sub-penny stock, I would have jumped on the stock regardless because it's a profitable sub-penny stock. It made absolutely no sense for it to be down in the penny ranges. But I didn't find it back then. I found it when it was trading at 50 cents. I bought a little bit of shares because, you know, I thought maybe it'll just keep going higher and higher and higher, but it didn't. And it ended up collapsing. And then when it collapsed, I was like, I bought a little bit more, and then it went all the way down to 15 cents, and then I just kind of left it alone because I thought maybe it could go back to a sub-penny stock. But it didn't, and they released their wallet, and I got excited. I was like, wow, they actually released the wallet. Because I thought, you know, this company could have been a scam, and I thought that the wallet was not, like, it wasn't real and anything, and their crypto wasn't real, and I was, like, kind of on the fence about that. But they released their wallet, they released their crypto like they promised, and the stock shot up, and then I got excited, and I bought a ton of shares at 30 cents, and the stock shot up to 50 cents, and then when it collapsed back down to around 30 cents again, I started buying a little bit more, and you know, now I'm good with my position. But if it was to drop back down to 20 cents, I'm going to buy more. But the position I buy, I'm going to be swing trading. So if it goes down to 20 cents, I'm going to buy some more. And if it goes up like 10, 20, 30 cents, I'm going to sell that position that I bought more in the 20 cents area. Like a little bit of a swing trade, taking some profit. But there is a core position I will hold on just in case this becomes a fantastic winner in the future. I hope it does. I don't know. It's a gamble. It's a gamble on the cryptocurrency, AABBG. So right now, they have about 5.4 million AABG tokens made available for their wallet. In total, I believe, they can do up to, I think, I'm not too sure how much they plan to release, but right now on the market there's only 5.4 million tokens. Maybe over time there'll be more, especially if they sell out of this 5.4 million. Then in the future we could see maybe another maybe a 10.8 million. But so far that's what they have, and right now they have a total downloads of as of March 22nd, right now it's March 27th, 2021. I don't know exactly how many wallets they have already downloads, and maybe some of these wallets are just being downloaded and they're not actual users. It's more important for them to actually have users than to have just wallet. But yeah, that's just the way things things are. But I'm hoping in the future their coin is worth more. More people download their wallets. I'm hoping one day, maybe half a year down the future, maybe a year down the future, they have over 1 million downloads, and the company is worth a few bucks, like $4, $5, $6. I'm hoping. I don't know. That's the gamble I'm taking by buying this stock. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this helps. I hope you understand this company more. I mean, I try to make it as simple as possible, and basically that's the company. They mine gold, and they used to sell it to the Asian markets for their revenue and profits, but now they've changed their business model. So they sold their mine, and in the future they're not going to be mining for profits or revenue. They're going to be mining to hoard gold. And the revenue is going to be coming in from the transaction fees that are happening with their crypto exchange, and the fact that people are exchanging their crypto for AABBG tokens. The company is going to use that as a revenue source. So the company went from revenue to more of an asset-based company. So, that's just the way things are working, the way things are right now. I don't know if you want to invest into it or not, but I think it's a good company, and the lower and lower the stock price goes, the more and more attractive it looks to me. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.